Hey, Cook Chef Kendra here, and today we are making smoked sausage and rice. So let's do what we do and make it happen. And onions, just red onions, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and this saves us time, so we're going to use this. So we got a jalapeno here. We're going to cut this up and we're going to add it. Just gonna go down the sides. Just gonna cut them roughly in the same size as our bell peppers and onions. So maybe a little small. Super simple. Now we have some smoked sausage here. This is fully cooked, and we're gonna cut it into, I don't know, about 1/4 inch slices, bite-sized pieces. And remember, this is fully cooked. For this recipe, you want it already cooked. Just pick your favorite smoked sausage. Come here, guy. In this pot, I'm making instant rice. We're going to bring this water to a boil, and then we're going to add the rice, turn the water off, put the top on, and let it chill for 5 minutes. So the top comes off. The rice goes in. And give it a little shake. Heat goes off. Top goes back on. And that'll be ready in 5 minutes. Okay, our rice is ready. Just like that, we're gonna remove it and set it aside. We have a pan here, and I'm gonna add some olive oil to the pan, just like so. Next, we're going to add some garlic. Now we're going to add our sausage. Now, what we want to do here is we want to get our sausage brown on both sides. So we're going to spread it all out. Let it get brown on one side, flip it, and let it get brown on the other side. Super simple. What's good is this is actually a very affordable dish. This is what we're looking for. We're going to get in our vegetables. Now that's red onion, orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Now we're going to add jalapenos. Mix that up just a little bit. Look how delicious that looks already. Now we're going to add some frozen broccoli that's been thawed. Remember, you are going to need a large pan for this. Add a little salt. A little black pepper. I've lowered the heat some. Now we're going to mix all this together. Just a little bit. Now I only really like broccoli florets. Now we're going to add a few more things. Some tomato sauce. Let me mix this in. Pour in some chicken broth. And use good ingredients. Like, this is a really good chicken broth, and that tomato sauce I used is one of my favorite kinds. Now we're gonna mix everything together. Now we're gonna bring this up to a simmer, and then we're going to reduce the heat and let it cook until the vegetables are tender. Again, we want the broccoli, the peppers, the red onion. We want all that to become just tender. Now we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer. Alright, at this stage, we're going to add that rice we cooked earlier. And we're going to stir the rice into our sausage. And we're going to sprinkle on some mild cheddar cheese. My fan was on. We stirred in the rice, and then we sprinkled on some mild cheddar cheese. Alright, here's our smoked sausage with rice. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.